Okay guys, welcome to another crypto video. Crypto Mac here. Today we're going to be discussing the coin Zilliqa, which is a coin that is not very spoken about in my opinion. I don't see many people talk about this coin like ever. I don't see it on Twitter, I don't see it on YouTube. It's kind of under the radar. It's got like a high market cap, like it's up there. It's not like a small cap altcoin, but I just don't see much people talking about it. So it's currently trading at just less than 11 cents. And personally, I've been looking at this coin for like a long time. I think I've looked at this coin for maybe a year. So I think just less than 12 months. I picked up some Zilliqa and I've just been watching it the whole time. So pretty much, I don't exactly remember when I bought, like what price it was, but it rallied pretty nicely from 12 months ago, as a lot of coins did. It wasn't just Zilliqa. I obviously bought a whole bunch else, but this was one that moved pretty nicely alongside a bunch of other coins. So it went, if we look at the last 6 months, we look at the last 12 months, we rallied up to around 25 cents, which is really nice. One thing I found with this coin is technical analysis seems to be like pretty accurate, if I'm being honest, from time to time. So if we see, there's this like ascending triangle, which I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit ugly, but it's still, I still find it's valid. And we can see like here, if you take these two lines here, you can see like there's a rising wedge which broke down, and like we basically hit the levels here. And then yeah, so we had this ascending triangle, and this was when Bitcoin fell down to 28,800 when all other coins fell. This was right around this period, May. We can see it went just like a massive candle down, really bad. Obviously this is really bad, but we went almost like our price target exactly, which is pretty nice. Don't mind seeing that, even though it's the downside, it's obviously not what you want. And like a descending triangle is a bullish formation as well, so that's even worse. But we can see it like followed that pattern there, and it just saw a massive correction. So Bitcoin corrected around 55%. But we can see Zilliqa went down from top to bottom 80%. It was 80%, so upwards of 25 cents, 25.5 cents, and then down to 5 cents. So wasn't really ideal. But I mean, most coins did this. I'd say almost every coin did. Obviously Bitcoin did it, and then just every coin followed. Ethereum saw massive correction, Cardano, Uniswap, Polkadot, just every coin pretty much saw this massive lull in the market. Everything took a hit, so that's all good. If we look more like recently on this coin, we can see there was a falling wedge which came up. That's a bullish formation. Came up, basically hit this target like almost perfectly. It's pretty nice. Got up to 12 cents. It's kind of done this a few times. We can see like here it dabbled around 12 cents and then went again to 12 cents. I think it actually got in the 13-cent range. That was back in September as well. So we're looking at 2 months ago. We came down and back through here to 12 cents. So basically we've been forming this like big symmetrical triangle, which dates back 2 months ago, which is a decent size. If we were to look at like the price target here, we need to break out first. So ideally we could see it come back down, touch here and go back up and then break out. Hopefully it breaks the upside. No guarantees obviously. But if it does, we're looking at like 16 cents. I'd just like to see Zilliqa go back to like 20 cents in my opinion. I think that's, if we could see that before like the end of the year would be nice. Maybe the end of the bull market cycle, that'd be pretty good. So yeah, if it breaks out of this, it goes to 16 cents. It's not a bad figure at all. That'd be very nice. If it were to pull like a Fibonacci, which isn't like that relevant because this coin just hasn't gone back up that much. We can see initially we got resistance to the 0.5, and then we've seen like two sets of resistance here at this line. So I don't know, we could come back down and get convergence here with these two lines, get support, and then go back up, and then maybe break out a bit further on the line, maybe around here. That'll send us up to, like, again, like still 16 cents. And then we'll probably see resistance here at this 0.5 again. Accumulate a little more, and hopefully we can go further. Might stretch this out. We could see that sort of a movement like that. Go here, just accumulate and go further. Obviously, it's all dependent on what Bitcoin does and all that. But I feel like Zilliqa's, it's a unique coin. Like, as I said, it's barely spoken about. I don't see anyone talking about it. But it's one that I've been bullish on for a while. I'm a fan of it. And if we look at Bitcoin, I mean, Bitcoin today just broke out of this triangle. And it's pumped. It's up to $55,000. It was like 24 hours ago, it was like 61K. So it's a pretty nice pump from Bitcoin, really good. And price target here is 68,000. It's all time high. What am I saying? Like, legit, like if we break out, we could pump past the all time high if we were to hit our price target. Obviously, there's going to be some resistance here. And Ethereum's currently at all time high levels. I just made a video yesterday on this cup and handle. And it's just broken out to the all time high. So that's actually insane. That's unreal. It's just really bullish to the markets what I'm getting at. So like those pump, we should see them settle, and hopefully some altcoins start moving. We might see Zilliqa make a break. We could see a Zilliqa breakout like right in the next day or two, and then over the next few weeks we follow this price target and see what happens. And then obviously further down the line, you have your 0.618 around 17 cents. We'll probably get resistance there, and then this is like, for me, my target would be really nice to hit like here, get back up to 20 cents and relax up there. So I'll keep an eye on it. The other thing also is you could almost say there's another cup and handle here. The cup and handles are actually forming left, right, and center, I swear. Like Ethereum has one, Chainlink has one. But obviously the coins like move together a lot of the time. You know, when Bitcoin pumps, a lot of the altcoins are going to pump with it. When Bitcoin dumps, altcoins are going to dump. Like, they do work in formations. You repetitively see coins forming similar patterns. So, as I said, like you can see, if you wanted to, you could like draw yourself this cup and handle here. For this to happen, we need to actually get back up to this level here, at 13.5 cents, break that, and then we'll break out. So let me change this. So we need to break through this level at 13.5 cents, which Zilliqa's moving up and down quite a bit. So I can see it getting there. I can see that happening in like a couple of weeks. It might have a good week where it breaks up. It needs to break through it. Might extend this a bit more. And then, I mean, price target on this is upwards of 20 cents. Obviously, this is on a very large time period, which is good. Means there's like a higher chance of it happening. It's a bit more reliable. It's still speculation, of course. I'm not saying it's not speculation at all, but I think there's a high chance. There's a chance this could take place. This cup and handle. I've already seen it happen with Chainlink. It's about to happen. Ethereum has happened already, so we might see this. It could be that Ethereum's doing it right now, and then we might see altcoins, the cup and handle, take place. From here, so it's still a 25% move to get back to this line. So I'm not saying by any means that's easily achievable, but if we do get there and we do break through, I think this is quite valid, and we'll follow it and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get some good news, but obviously not financial advice at all. Just me doing some speculation, a bit of technical analysis, having a look. As I said, no one talks about Zilliqa. I thought I'd make a video. So if you have comments, you got anything to say about this coin or anything about the market, let me know in the comment section. If you have other coins you want me to talk about or anything at all you want me to discuss, feel free, let me know. Like the video, please subscribe, I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next video. See you guys.